World Network. I'm one of the bears. This is Indominus Rex, genetically engineered by Dr. Henry Roon from the genes of multiple carnivorous insects.
A vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
One of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
We have a containment alert. We show multiple containment failures. Multiple systems failure.
In safe zone.
So, we have what we're called out of airport. No, it's out of containment. Asset containment unit to Predator Code. Repeat, ACC to Predator Code. Code red. I am going down across the board.
Catch me in. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire dear. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please...
A security team is deployed. They will get you to safety.
All three, the Indominus Rex escaped. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Access control units are on their way. We have to find Groupie now. I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
I have always been Jurassic Park, don't update it. It's a classic, it's perfect, I love it. I do like Jurassic World, and I don't want to be that guy that I can't adapt to new things. Man, I think I like that one more than River Adventure at Universal Orlando Resort. That was so incredible. The animatronic was so good. Man, that was so much fun. I would not be upset if Islands of Adventure changed their Jurassic Park River Adventure to Jurassic World. It just blew me away. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and share with a friend. Thanks for watching. Theme Park Groupie.